This video was created to support the compilation of the Professional CDA Portfolio. I hope you find this video useful for explaining Competency Statement I as listed in the Competency Standards books. Special notations will be made if there are differences in the CDA setting requirements. You will notice the clear labeling on this template. Clear labeling helps the professional development specialist to easily see each of the required components. As you can see in this competency statement, there are 4 different components that you want to make sure to include when you're writing this statement. The initial paragraph of the competency statement asks you to describe how your teaching practices meet this standard. Alternatively, you may also choose to write 1 paragraph for each functional area if this makes it easier to express your thoughts more clearly. In this one, you're going to include functional area 1, safe, functional area 2, healthy, and functional area 3, learning environment. Then you're going to prepare at least 1 paragraph on each of the following. So you're going to have a subsection and you're going to answer the prompts that are listed in your competency standards book. On subsection A, for this one, you're going to be reflecting on your sample menu that you had in your resource collection 1-2. If you design the menu, you want to answer how does it reflect your commitment to children's nutritional needs. If you did not design the menu, you want to list what the strengths and or things that you would change would be about the menu. So this is purely based on your opinion and your professional reflection. Subsection B, you're reflecting on the room environment in which your verification visit will occur. How does this room design reflect the way you believe young children learn best? So you just want to answer that question. And then also, if the room was not designed by you, what are its strengths and or what would you change? So once again, you have an option to put your opinions there. And then finally, subsection C, you're reflecting on the weekly plan that you included in resource collection 1-3, and you're answering the following questions. How does this plan reflect your philosophy of what children need on a weekly basis? And if you are not the one that designed this plan, what do you see as its strengths and or what would you change? So it gives you the ability to answer those questions, even if you are not, say, the lead teacher in the classroom, and that way you can put your opinion there on the weekly plan, the environment, and the sample menu. Now, if you are going for a home visitor setting, you have the same beginning paragraph, but then A, B, and C are going to look a little bit differently. For A, you're going to look at what you've learned in food handling training, what your philosophy is about food handling, and you're going to share an example of something you have taught parents regarding handling food as a measure to promote healthy habits. For B, you're going to reflect on your weekly plan, and then you're going to list how does it reflect your commitment to meeting the specific needs of the family and describe how you would adapt the plan to families with special needs. And then C, you're going to reflect on your program's policy to report child abuse and neglect. And how does your home visitor program's policy align with the legal requirements of your state? Strengths of the policy, challenges of the policy, and then finally, have you ever encountered a situation that required your action, and how did you or would you handle it? So number C or subsection C is quite a bit different. The other two are kind of similar, but more based on that family connection because that home visitor does focus on working with the family unit. Be sure to review your competency standards book for additional information, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.